ways to torment you in front of your friends while you're in high school. Keep these in a safe. When you're bad, we'll just let you have sleepovers and just put them on the towel. Put them on all your friends' Facebook sites.
Tell me live.
That's the new version of sitting in the corner. Just